Hey, welcome to CryptoReality. Please be advised that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm gonna say here is based on the chart. Please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Kinda busy this past few days. Yup, and just like I've said in my past video that maybe we can pump around here, this 2.14 to even here, 2.17 area, right? And look where we are right now. In the first resistance right here at 2.14. I hope we break here so we can continue to go up. I hope that we're gonna close above this and have a confirmation candle, because as you can see here, I've drawn this. Maybe this one is a bull flag, I guess. This is your flag, and this is gonna be your pole, right? So that's the measured move exactly. We have a drop down here, retest this trend line here, then blast off to the upside. This is your 1 hour time frame. Look at your MACD here, it's a bullish cross. Let's go on the 4 hour time frame. Don't get too excited yet. We're still in the first resistance here. We haven't even broke this resistance trend line here. Maybe we can go up and get rejected with this 200 EMA in your 4 hour chart. That's what I'm thinking here, around this level of 2.18 to 2.19 US dollar for XRP. Right, and eventually after that, maybe we can come back down here. If we break this, then we're gonna come back all the way down to your 1.9795 level. But if the push news with the rate cut of 50 BPS, then maybe we can expect some nice bumps here. But honestly, my expectations is that if we have some bullish case news, we can go all the way up to your level of resistance that we've been talking all in my past video. So my targets will be 2.5 to 2.6 area. It's all because of this daily time frame here, but maybe we're gonna reach this. We have this beautiful trend line here, consolidate here. Unless we break this, then we can blast off to the upside. Till then, I'm gonna stay focused and stay as planned. Okay, here's your weekly time frame here. Nothing has changed. Okay, I'm telling you, nothing has changed. Don't get too high. Okay, your MACD, your weekly might confirm some bullish momentum in here, but that doesn't mean that we're going to go higher, because your EMAs are now gonna print some death cross here. Okay, look at this. This blue line is near on crossing this yellow line here. Even your MACD is maybe gonna come here all the way to the upside, because it did it in the past. But this, your blue line is near your 20 EMA and literally pump here, right? While your MACD here is near on crossing it. Look, when we have a golden cross in your weekly, you're seeing this, right? Right, you see this cross in your MACD, then we have some little pumps here, but we continue to go down into your bear market. So maybe we can't go and retest this 200 EMA, or we have a flash crash. I don't know, some flash crash with this 200 EMA and then come back up, try to retest this 20 EMA around this 2.5 area or 2.6 area, 2.65, and everyone's gonna be bullish and get trapped because we're heading down to your bear market. I'm sorry. Look at your US dollar dominance chart in here. Yes, you can see here, this one is looks like a Batman pattern. I don't know, this is your head wing, this is gonna be your cape. It's all the way down. Question is, are we gonna hold the support line here, cut those supports there, or are we gonna come back all the way down here? The good thing here is that, as you can see here, we break this yellow trend line here, which comes to better support on your daily time frame. Look at how strong this yellow line to be your support. Okay, I'm gonna hide first this EMA. Alright, there you go. As you can see here, we have some nice support, and then support, and now we break this. So I'm expecting now to go for this to go down in here. Okay, let's see how low this US dollar dominance can go. Right, maybe we can go lower there. I don't know, maybe this kind of like this, right? 5.27, and let's see what gonna happen. It's there, but the best case scenario that I am looking here is that this is just a fake out for US dollar dominance. So if we come back down here, try to read this here and continue to go down. Alright, then we can see another all-time high for our cryptocurrency, especially if we see this breakdown for US dollar dominance. Okay, then maybe we can continue this bull market. Alright, and all those bearish will be forgotten. Okay, look at this weekly time frame here. Alright, this is just I don't know, this is some kind of fake out here and come back down here, break through this, then before consolidate before the next pump. Maybe that's just the idea of being a bulls here. But going back to reality, let's see how it plays out. Alright, this one seems to be bearish. Yeah, look at this MACD here. So if we can come back down there for your US dollar dominance, then I'm expect some nice pumps here for your XRP, our XRP. But still the target will be at these levels, 2.5 to 2.65 level area. Until we break that to the upside, then my first target of the all-time high would be your $4 mark. Okay, so then by then let's gonna talk about that again if that happens. Right now let's focus on this one, short term. Alright, let's go back to your Bitcoin US dollar here. Alright, as you can see here, still in this bear flag channel in here. We still haven't gone through this resistance here, so we still have rooms to go up, right? Maybe around this region, 94,781. Then let's see how it plays. If we break to the upside, then expect another resistance here. Okay, why is this a resistance? This 99,000, 200,000 level, okay, 98,000 level, because this is your strong past support trend line, right? Right, look at this. Maybe I'm gonna color this green here. Alright, so support bound here. You see a multiple touches there. That's why I'm telling you. And this is your breakout here. So maybe we can have this resistance here. Also, it plays along with your 50 EMA. It's 99,000, 98,000. And then the bullish, not bullish one, but the most possible likely scenario for the big pump is this 104,000. Okay, if we manage to go back up here and consolidate for the couple of weeks, maybe let's gonna talk about that too. Maybe it can print an all-time high if that happens. Okay, for example, we close like this. Okay, consolidate in here inside this channel here, then maybe we can see an all-time high by 2026. But till then, we're gonna stay low. Okay, stay focused on the targets here. Maybe this is a trap, maybe this kind of bull trap, so let's avoid that trap in here. Okay, so if you learned something here, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for me, because I'm not going to hype you, I'm not going to create fear or uncertainty here. I'm just showing you the possibilities of ups and downs. Of course, no one can predict the market. This is just a guide. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to others. Yeah, as always says, plan your own trades. It's your own money. It's your own risk. Don't put all your money that you can't afford to lose. Okay? Because this is a market space. Everything can happen here. So you must be prepared for everything. Stay healthy, stay strong. God bless. Do your own research. Always. Bye-bye.